Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Venmo business transactions for affiliate taxes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your Venmo business transactions, open the Venmo app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Me tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section. Select Account Statements to view your transaction history. Choose the option that allows you to view your past transactions. Select a date range that covers your business activities. Once your transactions are displayed, look for the Export or Download option. Choose the format you prefer, usually CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection, and your transaction history will begin to download. Locate the downloaded file on your device. Open the file to ensure that all necessary transactions are included. Make a backup of this file by copying it to a secure location. Consider using cloud storage services for added security. If you're using multiple devices, ensure that the backup is accessible from each one. Finally, organize your transaction backups along with any additional documentation needed for your affiliate taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.